Colman BT 200X. We got her all modified out, and we're gonna see how she does in the snow. I thought I'd give you a quick little video on what are some of the things I've done and how I built it. Check this out, boys. First off, I got the ski. This thing's freaking sweet. Right here I got it so it can tilt. This is all plastic poly, so it doesn't hurt the shocks or anything. The way I built it here, pretty cool. Got a bolt here, and another one down here, and another one at the bottom here. I got 4 bolts on the bottom. This is all holding 1-inch PVC plastic, and aluminum runner on the bottom. A little bit of a snow guard in the front there, a little bit of Phillips screws underneath here. We got a little bit of whatchamacallit, ready rod that'll hold these together so they don't separate. Works really good. I got bolts on both sides here, rock washers. I got bolts on both sides here and on the outside here. I got full Teflon on the bottom. You see that? Yeah, full Teflon on the bottom. Put a little piece on the top here, a little chain, little bungee straps. I doubled them up, and they go up underneath the fender onto the actual bungee cord. Fix this one to the fender. There. There's that guy. Put the whatchamacallit on here, mud flap. I did this all aluminum in the front, just for Joe Poke, so don't take out your wiring as you go down the trail. Definitely got the SPT sticker on there. Did some carb mods. You can see I did my spring, cut my throttle eliminating spring, fuel lines. I got dual fuel tanks on here. I got the Harley Davidson tank on the top. This is all Colman bike. I got the CR250 motocross pegs on it. Put a bigger 20-inch tire on the back. A nice pipe mod. How we did my bracket. Just put a bolt right through. Oh, completely right through. Doesn't restrict the exhaust flow. It works really great. Put a little beaner on the top there from air cleaner. I'm gonna go around the other side here for you guys too. Put a headlight on the front. Hard Highway Hooligans, Prince George, BC, Canada. This is our motorcycle chapter little get together, guys, hanging out. Again, Colman. Put some handle guards on here. I got the light switch right there. I got my can de moose. I don't know if you guys can see the can on there. Proud of Canada. Then I got my on-off button right there. I got my little gas tank. Pulled my seat back 4 inches. I did a little plastic plate on the bottom. Drilled that on, tapped that all on there. Works good. Put toolkit underneath here. Idea. Little bungee strap. Whoa, what's that? Beer holder. Got a beer holder on there. That's sweet. Got a lock on here. One of the best things I bought. Lock your bikes up. And there's criminals out there. Another mod I did here. I painted my sprocket. Looks really cool. Matched the bike. Had to do a little mod here on my. Just put a zip tie on my chain guard to my new Bravex clutch system. Pretty cool. You guys are all familiar with that. Lots of videos. Put a little button on the side there just for wear button. Pretty cool. Lifted the motor up. 1 inch. Again, 1-inch PVC plastic, drilled holes, easy to work with. Put my little air pod on there for my vent for my valve cover. Pretty cool. Again, Colman bike. Pretty cool. Painted my front mounts. Another thing I did with it too here is I painted my front fork mounts there, and my front shocks. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna paint the frame here later. I think she's looking pretty good. This tire is awesome. 20-inch Coston tire. Amazon. Again. Colman BT. All I can say, boys, is see you on the snow and see you on the trails. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.